We weren't supposed to get another thunderstorm today.
He returned the following week to try again.
Drew said that we went to the house and he didn't.
My footage is so grainy too.
About the second or third time we tried to get, knock on the door. So we went to the neighbor's house.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna take a walk too. Not happening now.
Why is this footage so grainy? They just get a tad bit windy. How long has this been morning for? I've seen nothing on my radar about this coming. Snuck up. This is how dark it really is. Saw some lightning back there. This must have been sticking up for quite some time. There's the front right there. It's recently started coming in. Shaky all of a sudden. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Cloud movement. Some suspicious cloud movement going on up here. Rotation, it looks like. Oh, yep, I can see it. Camera's unfocusing. There's some rotation happening. It looks like. It's kind of dying off now. Yeah, that's rotation, strong rotation. Holy crap. Ooh, that makes me nervous. Crap. Oh yeah, that's coming in. Oh, that is so dark back there. Holy crap, that's dark. Yeah, it's over here too. Okay, the raindrops are getting a bit too heavy for me right now. Okay, yep, no, it's time for me to go back inside. Oh, I'm glad I turned back to see that. away, you dumb cat. Yeah, that's what the clouds really look like. Dark and yucky. I think this might be a weak thunderstorm. No, I think we're just getting the sight of it. We're just getting the edge. Any more cloud rotation? Kind of up there. Saw some more lightning back that way. Maybe over there is like where all the cool stuff is happening. Hopefully we don't get a tornado watch or a tornado warning. That would suck. Sounds like that's a bit of hell. Ooh. Because like I can hear it hitting our shed. There's tiny bits of hail. I know what hail sounds like when it hits our shed. I've seen it happen many times. And heard it, of course. Not seeing much lightning now. But these clouds are definitely, like, moving all over the place into one another. Yeah. All of the good stuff is back there. We're just getting the edge of it. Dang it, dude. I'm still gonna upload this either way. Lima's gonna get the best of it. Some more cloud rotation happening. Up there a little bit, some weak rotation. There's a lot of rotation spots.
Really?
Yeah. I've seen at least like 4 now.
It was going really fast and now it just slowed down.
Lima's gonna get the best of it. We're just getting the edge.
Like, what the heck just happened?
More lightning over there. I mean, I had my hopes up so high. Yeah, like I said, I looked at my radar. I didn't see one coming. Although there was one all the way in Indiana. Maybe this is it. It was like a small storm system, but it was pretty severe. It had deep purple in it. A lot of it was purple, actually. Maybe this is it, and I'm just gonna get the best of it. Well, we know when the sirens go off if there's a tornado. But I think it's safe to say we'll be safe, because this is just the edge of it. That sucks. Was hoping for a good storm. Hi, kitty cat. Oh, I saw more down there. Every time I move my camera away, lightning happens. It's nothing but sprinkles now. Well, I might just go back into my house. The sky is so blue now. As soon as I disabled manual focus. Disgusting. Why is that so blue? What the heck? It's like I enabled a blue filter, which turns clouds blue. Like all clouds, what the heck? This phone can be weird sometimes. Oh! Never mind that. It's still blue. How do I fix that? Oh my gosh. You know what? Just forget about it. It's like specific spots. I don't know. It's weird. Could have heard that one. I don't know if the camera picked up that thunder. Oh! That was a lot of lightning activity. So I was about to go inside. Why is my camera making the clouds so blue? What the heck? Yeah, we are far from it now. So I'm moving towards Lima. I don't know, there's some clouds that are moving this way towards us, but there's also some that are moving towards Lima, so like, it's hard to tell. Yeah, we are super far from it. I counted that and whew, that took long. This is why I want to live out in the country, dude. So I can watch these types of storms in the distance. I just love it. There's no big trees, houses, or power lines in the way to block the view. Yeah, that was like 12 seconds till that thunder came here. The lightning's getting more consistent. Oh, did I get that one on camera? I think that was a lightning bolt. Go be loud. Yeah, that was like 20 seconds. can't fix it. It's just gonna stay blue. Seems to be almost every minute more new lightning strikes. Well, Lima, I hope you have fun with this one, because I'm not going to be able to experience it. To be honest, I shouldn't be holding my camera up to the sky like this. This is a suicidal move. I was getting tired anyways. Look at that cloud back there. Now my camera looks really weird. Yeah, this camera doesn't like the dark that much. There we go. Yeah, that's like a minute after that thunder war. Yeah, it is weird. It was like all windy and it was raining. Now none of that stuff's happening, so this has to be the edge of it. Hi, Jersey Tiger. Come on. I'm gonna keep you outside if you don't get in here, boy. No, I'm gonna go ahead and end this recording. I swear, the storm is trying to hold me out here. I wonder if that back there is another storm. I don't know, I haven't seen any lightning from it, so it might just be rain. It's pretty dark looking back there. Well, if you guys enjoyed this little recording, I don't know what to tell you, but thank you for watching this. I know this isn't really train related, but some of y'all voted to see this stuff on the channel. Since I live in like northwest Ohio, I don't really get much storms. Not any good ones that are film worthy, but like I'm mainly looking for thunderstorms that, like right now, during the dark hours where it starts to get dark and you can actually enjoy the lightning. So yeah, we don't get much of these. Whenever we do, it's out like 12 a.m. or so, or really late, like 5 a.m. There was one on Saturday, I slept through it, but it was going to be a really huge thunderstorm. I slept through it like a baby. I had my alarm set. The alarm woke me up, but me being the way I am, I turned that thing off, and 20 seconds later, I fall right back to sleep. And like 30 minutes later, after I was supposed to get up from the alarm, is when it was supposed to come through. And I slept through that thing. I looked at it on the radar, and oh, it looked violet on the radar. There was lots of red and orange. That was a big lightning strike, okay. So, yeah, we don't get to see much dark-houred thunderstorms, mostly during the day, so. But if you want in, just tell me. Yep, it's gonna wrap up today's video. I might start uploading these on Sundays because my upload schedule is just really changed because of the recent changes of uploading train videos on Tuesdays and Fridays now, then having train videos, video game train videos on Saturdays. So I might change the train videos from Mondays to Fridays, stick storm videos in the middle, then maybe keep the video game train stuff on Saturdays. See how that works out. So yeah, I want to thank you all that have been supporting this channel for the past year and through 2022. I want to appreciate those who are still around, giving me support, having conversations on the channel. It might not seem like it's a lot to me, but it really is. I like talking to you all on here. I've met some really nice people on here. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to keep this channel on its toes. I hope I don't end up killing this channel somehow, because that's what I did with my other channel, Honey Bun. If you're from there, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, if you want to check it out, the channel name's gonna be spelled HONAYBAUN. The reason why the channel kind of died off is because I started running out of video ideas, and my train videos weren't getting that much views, so I was like, you know what, this channel's just gonna die off anyways. So I decided to start focusing on this channel. This channel is surprisingly doing well so far, considering it's been going on for like about almost 3 years. We're still doing kind of good. There's one thing I worry about though. I'm gonna be getting a job over like the summer, so I might not be able to get as many train videos out during the summer because of that job I might get. But the good side is I might be able to get myself an iPhone 14 or so. So I don't have to like stabilize my videos anymore with a application, because that's a pain in the butt to do, because all the other ones I had to wait like 3 to 4 hours, and out of all of those times it never worked. It always just crashed the application just closed itself. There's a lot of lightning happening over there now. I'm getting kind of jealous. But anyways, yeah, this is gonna mark the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'm gonna try to keep this channel on its feet. I hope this channel doesn't end up being a failure. I hope not, since it's something I like to do. I don't really have to come up with new ideas. I could just go out and record the trains, since it's something I really like to do. And I know some of y'all like it. I definitely like the stuff I've caught over the past year. In this year, I'd say 2022 has been a good year for me of recording trains, and so has this year. So, yeah, I'm happy to be part of this train community thing. I know I'm just like a 16-year-old, but like, I really do like talking to like everyone else in the railfan community, sharing experiences, talking about captures, all that stuff. Throughout the summer, I might try to catch the RJ Corman train that comes through here. I'm gonna be stalking the tracks. Who knows, if I end up figuring out if the train comes through on a Thursday, I can just wait next Thursday. Then I'll know to go there to the tracks. I don't know when I'm gonna get up. I'm thinking like 7 a.m. or so to try to catch the train. I'm probably gonna have the cops called on me because I'm gonna be there for a really long time. People might have suspicion on me that I'm trying to do something illegal when I'm not. I think that's only happened once. I had a cop question what I was doing while I was trying to record trains. Just had to tell them what we were doing. They said it was fine. So, yeah. Goodbye, y'all. I hope you have a great rest of your week or weekend. Whenever you're watching this, day or night, morning. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking in the video. Goodbye.